Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve online advertising with Facebook ads, full guide step by step clearly. To improve online advertising with Facebook ads, start by defining your advertising goals. Identify your target audience based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Research your competitors to understand their strategies and positioning. Create a Facebook Business Manager account if you haven't already. Set up your Facebook Ads account within Business Manager. Determine your advertising objective, such as brand awareness, traffic, or conversions. Choose the campaign type that aligns with your goals, whether it's a lead generation ad or a traffic ad. Develop a clear and compelling message for your ad copy. Use high-quality images or videos that resonate with your target audience. Utilize Facebook's audience targeting tools to create custom and look-alike audiences. Set a realistic budget and bidding strategy based on your campaign objectives. Schedule your ads to run at optimal times for your audience. Monitor ad performance using Facebook Ads Manager to track metrics like reach and engagement. Test different ad formats, such as carousel, slideshow, or single image ads. Adjust your targeting, budget, or creative elements based on performance data. Implement retargeting strategies to reach users who have previously engaged with your content. Continuously analyze and optimize your ads to improve their effectiveness. Stay updated on the latest Facebook advertising features and best practices. Conduct A/B tests to determine which elements resonate best with your audience. Keep refining your strategy to enhance overall advertising performance. Remember, consistency and adaptation are key to successful online advertising on Facebook. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.